Security alert. System compromised. To whom it may concern. We regret to inform you that your network has been successfully infiltrated. This intrusion has been executed by an entity known as Anonymous. We now have unrestricted access to your system. As a precautionary measure, we advise you to disconnect from the network immediately and avoid accessing any sensitive information or personal accounts. Our intentions are not malicious, but rather to demonstrate vulnerabilities in your system. We encourage you to strengthen your security measures. Sincerely, Anonymous.
Freaksheep TV successfully removed the threat. Dear network user, we are pleased to inform you that our security team has successfully identified and neutralized the threat within our network. The system has been restored to its normal operational state. You may now resume your activities on the network with confidence. We appreciate your cooperation and vigilance throughout this process. As always, if you encounter any suspicious activity or have concerns regarding network security, please do not hesitate to report it. Thank you for your understanding.